Smartfm presents Smartup Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, which is we have a good conversation for tonight with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also my friends from BPEC Makassar, aka Benteng Panjua English Club. Hi guys!
Hi, smart
So
listener.
happy to see you again tonight, and yeah, I hope you in a good condition, in a good heart, and in a good mood. Yeah. Well, tonight we're gonna have a good conversation, which a topic that we are going to tell you after we introduce one by one of our member tonight. Yeah. Tonight we have Mr. Achang. Hi, Mr. Achang.
Halo Kak, halo
How
smart
are
listener.
you?
It's very good.
It's very good. The blacky one, yeah. He used the black color shirt, yeah, for tonight. And also we have Aini.
Hello Kak,
Hi.
hello smart listener.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I'm a little bit hesitate to mention your name. Okay, Aini, how was your day?
Yes, so great.
Okay, she's a pinky girl tonight. And the white man in the corner, we have Mr. Diaz. Hi, Mr. Diaz.
Hola, amigo.
Long time not see.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
I'm around in Makassar.
So?
I'm here, but I have activity, special
Oh,
activity. Yeah,
yes.
that's why. Yep, 6 weeks I
thought
off.
I thought that you forgot us.
Come on, don't mention
I
it.
can't be forget.
Don't be sad. Don't be sad.
Okay, so we have the same color as me tonight. My couple for tonight, Mrs. Dewi.
So sweet.
Hi.
How was your day?
Couldn't be better today, especially because we wearing the same color
Uh-huh.
without
Is it
appointment.
show your mood also?
Huh?
The color of your shirt
Yeah.
show your mood, your feeling.
Yeah, sure. Like I'm feeling, I'm in love for today.
Oh yeah.
Every day I'm in love,
Uh-huh.
but today like something special because I get arrived here with my husband by only motorcycle because usually he drives and pick me up using a car. But
Uh-huh.
today we were like throwback to long time ago when we still going steady.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's
True
why
back
I
to
feel
the
vibes.
romance. True back to the romance
throwback
moment.
to the moment, yeah. Every day is a
Okay,
romance.
When we were young. Okay, and the last one we have the color, the shiny color too. The yellow man. Hi,
Hi.
welcome. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Richard.
Hi, Richard. Welcome. Is it your first time?
Yes, it's my first time.
Okay, so can you tell us how is it feel to join our conversation in Smart Up Your Life
I
tonight?
think it's kinda nervous, yeah, for the
Oh.
first time. Yeah, because I never try to speak. I mean, in front of the public
Mm-hmm.
like this, yeah,
Oh,
on the
yeah.
podcast.
Oh,
Oh,
like a podcast.
I
Welcome.
guarantee that you will be very enjoy
Yeah.
Yeah,
and you are not feeling nervous anymore. Yeah,
and
after
not
this.
feeling
Okay.
blue also,
Oh, yeah.
but feeling yellow.
Feeling good.
Okay, well, we feel the good vibe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the good vibes, like the topic,
That's
yeah.
why.
Oh, yeah.
That's why.
Before we tell you the detail of our topic and conversation tonight, we're gonna introduce the BPEC Makassar first for you smart listener who didn't know before about BPEC or Benteng Panjua English Club. Yes. Okay, please, Mr. President.
Okay, so hello smart listeners. So first of all, thanks for the opportunity. So actually, I'm gonna to explain a little bit about BPC itself. So actually, BPC or Benteng Ponyo English Club is the oldest community in Makassar, focusing on English. So actually, BPC focus about the social community. Like we have weekly Sunday meeting. Actually, this is the open for the all people. Even if you as a young adult and etc., you can join every Sunday in multimedia. In front of Muhammadiyah University, Muhammadiyah University of Makassar itself. So actually we have 5 items. First is who am I. Second is we have ice breaking. Third is we have D&D, debating and discussion. Fourth is we have building skill, and the last is announcement. I really believe you can improve your life because you have good environment. That's why we will wait you guys in weekly Sunday meeting BPC. Thank you.
Oh yes, they
You're
have. That's a
welcome.
complete, yeah. Okay, are you thirsty? Please give him
God.
water, a glass of water.
Yeah.
Well, all right, guys. BPEC basically has 5 items of activity that will help you to improve your skill in English because. Yeah, the main point in BPEC Makassar, they have a good environment, the English vibes that you can. It's very helpful for you to increase your capability in speaking English, right?
Right.
Okay, well, talking about the vibes, I know the millennials as us right now is familiar with this word. Good vibes, good positive vibes. I don't know, maybe it's automatically brings the positive life or not. But I want you to define what is the positive vibe in your point of view, one by one. Maybe you can explain by a simple word. Maybe what is the positive vibe in your side?
Maybe me.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my point of view about positive vibes is everything is energy that positive we produce and we can spread to the others. And I think when we have a positive vibes, automatically we have a positive energy and can make our life is happy.
Ah.
Yeah. That's my statement about, or
Okay.
my point of view about
So-
positive vibes.
Oh, all right. But so why we have to know and why we need the positive vibe itself, Richard?
I think it starts from the nature first because we discuss in public and there's many tree in there, so we can feel the oxygen from the tree. Yeah, it brings many good vibes for us. Yeah, and then after we discuss about a topic and then we take a pray for 30 minutes and then continue to debate. Yeah, it's more excited if you are there. Yeah. Well,
So, based on your point of view, based on your side, the positive vibes start from our environment, our nature, and it comes naturally, right? From the nature. All right. Okay. Maybe that's one of the, how to say, one point that also very help us to have positive vibes in our life. But is the positive vibe itself bring the positive life too? Or maybe, I don't know. We're gonna talk about this after the break. So don't go anywhere, smart listener. Just stay tuned with us on Smart Up Your Life.